Hey Cluckers, welcome back to the channel. I'm here, Thorpe Park. Gonna keep this vlog short and sweet. It's not like one of the Efteling or Toverland vlogs. Thanks for everyone who has checked those out though, it really means a lot. We're here today, bit of an anniversary vlog. A couple of years ago when I was on this journey, just started, we came to Thorpe Park with some friends we'd made in the theme park community. I've got to be honest, they really helped me brave some stuff. Some more friends helped me brave even more stuff. And now I'm here again with not a lot to fear. Last time I was here was Hyperia. I'm not going to lie. It was a lot. I only did it the once and then check it out the second time. Here to brave it again. So yeah, let's go check it out. Something nice and early, I'm not going to lie. Plenty of rides actually still terrify me. Whether the flat rides and they're not things I'm ready to do myself. Standing outside Rush, it's a no-go. We got Zodiac behind me, Vortex, the Samurai further on. I'll put some footage in if I go past them more. They're no's for me. I'm not quite ready to brave flat rides. I don't see the appeal of them, to be fair. But coasters, I'm all ready for. Can't do Hyperia yet. It's not open. To be fair, coasters-wise, 10 o'clock, only the Swarm's ready. So hopefully go towards the Swarm after this. So we've made it into the queue for the Swarm. I'm not alone. We've got the coaster capturers with us today. The whole entire squad. Woo! So we've just come off the Swarm. Thumbs up. I got some hate the other day at Toverland when I said it was better than Phoenix. And I thought to myself, actually, Phoenix has got better theming, but thrill factor, that's the top. Much better, I think. Yeah, you only have a 10-minute ride, that's what I'm saying. So we made it into the Nemesis Inferno queue. The board says it's closed, but people are going round on it, so they're lying to us. Which is the better Nemesis though, this or Nemesis Reborn? Let me know in the comments below. So we have just done Nemesis Inferno. My decision here is it is not as good as Nemesis Reborn. And you know what, I went in open-minded this time. I didn't allow home park judgment to play a part in this, but yeah, just get it out. I'm not a fan. Not a fan of this. But I'm gonna do it. Here comes Stealth. Stealth done. Still terrifying. 12 seconds or something like that on that ride you are. That launch is the fastest launch element on a coaster in the world. So it doesn't reach a best max speed, but it reaches that speed fastest. And you can feel it. Literally, you're getting to the top before you really blink and register what's going on. Look at this. That's hard. You know what I mean? Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. Enough said. Question the vlog, will we get Dale on the teacups? There. Will we? Keep watching to find out. You're doing it, come on, come on, come on. Man up, you said. Man up, you said. There's no PTSD on a teacup. Come on. He's chicken.
What the fuck?
So, I'll tell you, my friends, life is all about facing your fears.
Life's a roller coaster.
It's not a teacup, is it?
I'm not doing it. I am not bowing down to peer pressure. So kids, if you're watching this and you're inspired by Coaster Chicken, right? Never ever bow down to peer pressure. Did you do Rush?
I'm not rushing to do Rush now. But that's not because I'm scared of Rush. That's just because I don't fancy it.
I'm not scared of don't pull. I've got that pie at home.
Now, me personally, I've been itching to do this ride all year, and every time I've been closer, we can get on sort of a ride now. So we just done saw the ride. A lot rougher than I remember. That was like top 5 last year, but very rough. Still very fun. And near miss elements and the theming really cool. Great film franchise. So yeah, enjoyed it. I think we're going to hit Colossus because that's like 15 minutes. I mean, you'd be rude not to. And then obviously the big boy Hyperia. So that's Colossus done. A lot rougher than I remember it being. Especially the washing machine at the end. But yeah, good ride. Like I say, 15-20 minutes on that one. So we're getting around the park really quick. Let's watch a little master at work. So the time has come, we're finally here to face our fearless and find it. Much better queue time today, 30 minutes. Last time I did this, 6 hours, so looking forward to doing a short queue. That's really good. Yeah. Ding dong, fearless found. Oh, I'm about to walk into a wall. The joys of vlogging. Yeah. Ooh. Still intense. Still very intense ride. Best in the UK probably. And I don't like admitting that, but yeah, cracking ride.
Controversy means viewers.
So, we've just smashed out Hyperia, but we're running late now. We need to go get a train. A ghost train.
Spooky.
Thank you for your cooperation.
So we've just come off Ghost Train. Ghost Train's actually good for once. Some good actors, some good scares. It's quite enjoyable for once. We're going to head to one of the water rides. I'm not going to tell you which one, because I don't know which one it is. I'll show you when we get there.
Next one.
Pretty dry from Storm Surge. Know the name now, because I did it. Going to do Walking Dead now. 5-minute queue. Everything's pretty much walkable today.
We have a winner!
All coasters bar the Flying Fish ticked off today. Lovely day. These guys don't want to do Flying Fish, so I'm really sad. Gonna do Swarm Egg.
2 hours later.
So that wraps up our day here at Thorpe Park today. We've got one more ride, Hyperia. What a beauty. Intense as well. Now, before I let you go, just wanted to reach out and say something to you all. Look, life, terrifying enough, got loads of fears, and there's times you will have to conquer and do things on your own. But top advice for you today is find those people and make those paths easier to walk and surround yourself with them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon.